How to hard reset Vivo Y29 5G.
Step 1. Press and hold the power key to switch off the device. Step 2. Hold down both the power and volume up buttons at the same time.
Step 3. The screen displaying fast boot mode should now appear.
Further guide is available in the description below.
Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post.
Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset.
After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use.
Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.